Zini Abraham, and I'm facilitating Project Create Peace. It's an initiative by Ageless Art, a 501c3, where we believe that art heals. We believe that people come up with better ideas and have better problem-solving solutions when they create art. The purpose of this project is to help you recognize what peace is, because we are so often running in our minds that we don't even recognize when we are at peace. The project helps people redirect and find peace within. So people who are seeking more peace in their life, who are seeking to connect with others in a meaningful way, this is a really good bonding project. We've got children and their parents here, and it's a lovely way for people to come together and find presence. So the traditional peace symbol is an upside-down tree of life in a circle. The circle means never ending, and the tree growing into the ground actually means death. We want a symbol that actually represents peace. This image that we've created is one that represents creation. It represents life itself. So participants in the workshops will get a booklet that will describe everything that they need to know about peace. Also, there are stencils that come so that people don't have to worry about creating things like Fibonacci spirals on their own. We also provide a lotus and a tree. They can use these stencils or they can create their own. We would love to create peace with you. Join us at one of our workshops or reach out. Maybe we can come to you. We would love to create more peace in the world. Project Create Peace.